Hello, everybody. Yes, I can. It's Dr. Goodfellow again. I can take these off because I'm alone in the room. I'd like to talk today about your husbands or the men in your life who may be snoring, not sleeping well, having headaches, neck aches, back aches. This is often jaw related. Sleep breathing issues, such as snoring and stopping breathing during the night, can contribute to head, neck pain and to jaw issues. This is an inflammatory issue along with stroke, heart attack, type 2 diabetes. All of these can be linked. It's all in the literature. So we're happy to help. If you're nervous about this or have any questions, just contact us. We're here, and be safe.